Hi everyone. Today's project is we are going to attempt to polish this plastic lens that's over the engine gauge here. This is for a Yamaha outboard motor, and my guess is that it's been damaged by sitting in the sun for so many years. But you can see you can't read the outputs. You can't see the RPMs and you can't see the hours. So we're going to attempt to polish this. And I've got some sandpaper here. I got this package of 600,000 grit, 1500 grit, and 2000 grit sandpaper, and see if we can't, with wet dry sanding, get that polished up. And to be honest, I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to give it a shot. I also got this little piece of this sanding block that I've created, and you can see there's a curve on it. I just sanded that in, and it matches approximately matches the radius of the outer edge, because one of the problems here is this black plastic piece is actually the same height as the lens. So if I sand it, I'm also going to sand that black plastic. I'd rather not do that. So we're going to start off with 600 grit paper. Tear off a little piece. I'm going to get it wet. So get it a little bit wet here. Let's see how we do. Got some nice whitish paste coming off it. That says to me that it's doing something. I gotta get rid of all these deep scratches here. Gonna really use the 600 a lot, is my guess. There. Doing here. Oh, it already looks a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna keep going here. I figure with the heaviest grit paper, we got to get rid of the big scratches, because the smaller grit papers, or the higher grits, will just polish. It won't really take out the major scratches as well. Get in there. See how we're doing here. Well, we're definitely getting there, but we definitely still have some pretty deep scratches in there. We'll work on getting them out. I'll come back when this is all done. Okay, it's looking better. I didn't get all the scratches out, but I think I got enough out that I'm going to be able to read everything I need to read. I'll do a little bit more, and then we're going to move on to 1,000 grit paper. And I got this idea from understanding how people polish headlights on cars, thinking it might work in this situation as well. So we'll see what happens. Already it's looking better. Already I'd say I'd be able to read the tachometer if I had to this way. Okay, that's not bad. Let's switch up to the next grit, which is 1,000 grit. Get it wet. Let's see how we do with this one. So here's the 1,000 grit. My guess is I don't need to spend as much time with the lighter grits as I did with the 600, because I was using the 600 to remove major scratches. And now it's just starting the polishing process. Definitely looking better. All right, looks pretty good. Let's move on to 1,500. I've just got a bottle of water here that I'm soaking everything with. For the water. Here's the 1,500 grit. Oh, now I'm starting to be able to really read stuff. All right, this is encouraging. Thinking it doesn't matter what direction I sand in. At least that's my hope. Don't have to go with the grain. It's not wood, there's no grain. Alright, how we doing here? Not bad. Certainly not perfect, but not bad. Certainly better. All right, let's move to 2,000 grit. Final grit. And then I think I've got some polishing compound I'll be able to use to really polish it. It's mixed with wax, I think. All right, let's try 2,000 now. All right, really looks like it's clearing up. Not bad. Certainly not perfect. but it's certainly a lot better. I think I can read stuff. All right, let me see if I have some polishing compound type stuff that might help. All right, what I have is Marine 3M Marine Cleaner and Wax. It's a type of rubbing compound. It's not exactly polishing compound, but we'll see how it does. This also has wax mixed into it. I don't know what that's going to do, but hopefully it won't be bad. Let's wipe it off now.